Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will try to understand how we can populate the form. Now friends, in our last video we have definitely updated this link a little, and now our update form is loading properly, which is cool, but now the information is not getting populated somehow, right? So if we click on this update link, the username and email address should get populated. Now friends, the information is not sensitive. The username and email address is visible to the user. We are populating this. We are providing the information to the user. As a result, we can also receive these information on the URL itself. This means that we can extract the information directly from the URL and populate the information from the URL to this form. So this would be interesting how we can do this. So first of all, definitely we need to update the links a little. So let me navigate to our list user.jsp file. Let me expand this. So in here we have already created this particular link, which is slightly complicated, but now we will take it furthermore and we will do something special in here. So let me hit enter first of all, and there would be an error, and we will fix the error by adding a double quotes and a concatenation symbol, and we need to also make use of a yet another double quote in here. Now friends, let us proceed further and let us also attach the username information and email information inside the URL itself. So it would be like, again we will hit enter, and in here we will type an ampersand. Ampersand is the separator, right? So we will type an ampersand, and then we will type an username equals. Now friends, again what we need to do, we need to extract the username, and the code is very simple. And let me copy this code and paste this in here, and we would be able to extract the username. Alright, and we need to also add in the concatenation operator in here. Alright, so now this looks good. Now again we will repeat the process, and we will also add in the email. So it would be again single quotes, then it would be again ampersand, then email equals, then again let me copy this particular part and paste this in here, and I guess everything is good. So now on the URL we will have the user ID, the username and email as well. Now this is interesting. Again, now when we will click on the URL, definitely the URL now has plenty of information. Let me open this. We will have user ID, we will have username, we will also have email address, and we will also have the page value, which is update user, which is cool enough. Now the final thing is to populate the information directly on this form. The form is where? Here is the form, update user.jsp, and again populating the form is very simple. In here what we will do is we will give the value using the expression language. So it would be like dollar, in between the braces we will type in param dot username. Likewise, let us also give the value for email. So it would be like value equals, in between double quotes again expression language, and we will read the parameter with the name of email. Alright, now this is cool, but friends, we need to also pass on the user ID when we submit the form. Now again, in order to do that, what we will do, we will add in a hidden field. So it would be like input type equals hidden, name equals user's ID, and value would be, again we will make use of expression language, and it would be like param dot user ID. Let me quickly check the format which I have used for user ID. I am little confused, so let me check. User ID is user's ID. Alright, so I have considered the correct format. It's user's ID. Alright, everything is cool enough, nice. And finally let me close in this particular tag. Here we go. Fantastic. So everything is looking Good enough. Nice stuff. And now finally let us refresh the page, and we should be able to see username and email address. Now let me again navigate to list of user. Now let me click on the update link for John, and here is the value. So everything is working properly, and if I click on update user, definitely the logic haven't been implemented, and this is something which we will implement in our next video, where we will handle this form and we will proceed further accordingly. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.